Hey everybody, it's Brent Central Arkansas. We're going to do another grow. This time we're going to do red Russian kale. Kale is a microgreen staple. So let me put my cup on here we're going to use to measure with and zero it out. I'm going to add the seed and I'll bring you back. Seed is added. Let's get a weight. 90 grams. That's what we're going to grow for this grow. Seed is on. It's pretty thick. That's the way we want it. Add the antifungal. The basic recipe again. We're going to wet it nice and thoroughly and start the germination process. Time to take the weight off. Time to take the dome off of the red Russian kale. Near harvest on the kale. It's looking really good, really dense. Alright everybody, we're going to do a harvest of this kale. It's a beautiful microgreen. I let it get to the first true leaf because it's a really cool true leaf. I'll show a close-up of it here in a little bit. So, try not to cut myself here. That worked out okay. Now I'm going to speed you up, and that way you don't have to sit here and watch me do the whole thing. Alright, I'm back. All done. Now, I'm going to clean them off of me, and then we're going to do a weigh-in. Let's get a weight on this. I'm going to do it like we've done a lot lately. From the scale. Put a glass on it in the center. An empty tub just like the one that the microgreens are in. We're going to put that on and zero it out. Now when I put these on there, it'll be the way the microgreens minus the little container. Got one extra here. Alright, it looks like 1,014 grams. That's a lot. Didn't expect that much. 1.04 kilograms. It's 35.75 ounces. Or 2.23 pounds. Now that's a lot of weight for microgreens, but if I had to do it over again, I don't think I'd put quite as much seed. I can't remember exactly what I did, probably 80 grams or something like that, but anyway, I think what I'd do is I'd go with 50. That's because a lot of the greens that are in here couldn't reach the light, and their cotyledons didn't spread because they were covered by the canopy of the more aggressive greens. So that's a really good weight. I'm going to put a little capture of what the microgreens look like I usually do, and then we'll end this video. That's what they look like up close. It looks like I actually got a couple true leaves on each one. Probably grew a little bit long, but I wanted to see it. I really like those small true leaves. It looks really cool as a microgreen. Alright, now the taste test. Sort of like a broccoli stem. I'm eating my display. it's a good microgreen. It's not as good as broccoli to me, but it's comparable probably to kohlrabi as far as overall taste. It doesn't have any spice to it at all, not like the red acre cabbage. It has that cabbage-like spice to it. But these, they taste green. Does that make sense? It tastes green. They're good. Not spectacular, but really good. This is Brent, you guys. We'll see you later.